Banana stem juice, the ultimate health hack that you need. Today, let's see the benefits of banana stem juice and the process of making it. And let's also see how to consume it and when to consume it. And let's explore the health benefits and various nutritional values of this. These banana stems can be easily bought in any supermarket or any farmer's market. So take these stems and remove the skin, which is dark, and clean it properly. Once the skin is removed, let's cut it into small pieces. Talking about the nutritional value of this banana stem, it has so many vitamins and minerals in it. And in Ayurveda, it is widely used to reduce kidney stones, especially for men. It is very good if it is consumed. This not only reduces the kidney stones, but also very nutritious. It has many vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6, vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, iron, and rich in fiber content. Thus, it helps in weight loss. It is a cure for constipation. It keeps diabetes under control, helps in detoxification, great for your digestion, prevents kidney stones. So once these are cut into small pieces, keep adding them in water so that they don't change the color. This also checks hyperacidity, prevents urinary tract infections, and maintains your blood pressure. This is also good for constipation as it has high amounts of fiber levels in it. Consume this in moderation because it is also diuretic in nature and can cause frequent urination. So banana stems are used in Ayurvedic medicine as a cooling element to counteract the effects of a hot, humid climate. This helps to regulate blood pressure and maintain insulin levels as well, enhances heart health and also boosts a person's mood. So once all these stems are chopped, let's add them all into water and then let's grind them in a mixer jar. First grind it a little bit and then you can add a little bit of water into it and then grind it to a watery consistency. So once this is ground well, take a strainer and strain the fiber out. Strain the juice and fiber separately. Squeeze in a half lemon into it and add a sweetener of your choice. Here I am using jaggery syrup, which is homemade. You can use jaggery powder or honey or whatever is good for you, or what goes for you and what is available to you. You can use any organic sugars or sweetener. Once adding the sugar, mix it well in the juice. So we have the banana stem juice ready. So let's see how to consume this juice. It is best to consume this in empty stomach early in the morning, first thing in the morning, before eating anything at all. So now we have seen the nutritional value and the health benefits that it has to offer, and I only tell all of you to have this. Make it at home and have this before eating anything empty stomach in the morning. Give it to your family and kids. Make sure that you don't over drink it or overuse it, because it is also diuretic. Try to use it only once or twice in a week or 10 to 15 days. Also do like, share and follow us for more such healthy and easy recipes, and share it to people who you think it is needed. Thank you so much for watching.